And today we're going to talk a little bit about this little guy here. So what is this guy? He is a saber-tooth 2x5. Basically, this is a ESC for motors, right? So if we want to do like a tracked vehicle, this is the module that you would use. What's great about this is if you want to do it the old conventional way, you would get two ESCs and then you would do a mix on your radio to get it all so that you have your, tracked vehicle working. But this eliminates that, and you can hook up your two motors, okay? Motor A, motor B, and we'll have our receiver over here, okay? And so the way this is gonna work is, we'll draw some lines here for you. Basically, your red and black wires will come to this module here, and then the other ones will come here to this one. This lead here will run to your battery, okay? I know it's upside down, but just go with it here. And then you have three wires, okay, servo wires, and they are all labeled. One says flip, one says forward or turn, this one says turn, and the other one says forward. So what you'll do is you'll connect these to your receiver and you'll plug them into the sticks that you want to work with, right? So let's just say you want to do channel 1 and 2 because that's the one that you'll be doing for your steering. So you'll plug those in, okay? And then once you have it all connected, you'll be able to go and start using your dozer or tank or whatever tracked vehicle, excavator. We'll be able to work that and the motors will spin. Now, the thing to keep in mind is this has a left and right or a positive and a negative. So make sure you know which direction they're rotating. You may have to switch the wires here so that they both spin in the same direction when you're going forward, and when you're turning that they spin in the opposite direction that you want to go to. So if you have any questions and you want to know more about this RC University, this will be a Thursday thing where I'll just pop out a little quick tech knowledge thing, and you guys can ask your questions in the comments, and I'll create another video every week so that we can answer those questions that everybody has. Thanks for watching RC University on the RC Construction Hobby channel.